If you're looking for the best hair straighteners in 2023, look no further than our video. We'll show you how to find the perfect device for your hair type and style so that you can get healthy and beautiful hair at an affordable price. Don't wait, watch this video now. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Bob Pro Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Straightening Iron. This iron is the gold standard in our beauty lab. We utilize it for a variety of tests, including anti-frizz research. Consumer testers report that it glides through hair without yanking and is simple to use, albeit it does take a little longer to heat up than other irons. Plus, it's obvious that people love this flat iron from Bob Pro based on the more than 10,000 5-star ratings it has received on Amazon. This iron is ideal for tackling persistent frizz or extremely curly and natural hair because of how thin the titanium iron is and how far the plates extend from the edge of the clamp. According to one Amazon reviewer who describes herself as having very curly hair, this flat iron reduces hairstyle time in half and eliminates frizz in just one pass. You'll need to remember to unplug this iron after usage for your own peace of mind because it doesn't feature an automatic shutoff. At number 2 is GHD Platinum Plus Professional Performance Styler. This flat iron works well for both straightening and curling hair because of its rounded edges and widely useful 1-inch plate. Because the plates are so smooth, there won't be any more snags or hair breaks as you curl. The flat iron heated up the fastest in lab tests, achieving 99% of its stated temperature in 30 seconds, although it maintains a constant temperature of 365 degrees to preserve hair from excessive heat damage, and its technology guarantees even heat throughout the entire plate for even styling. Some people may find the lack of a temperature adjustment to be a turnoff. Although it performed below averagely in our lab testing for holding straightness after being exposed to humidity for 24 hours, one tester noted that my straight hair did not persist all day. Still a favorite of GH editors and some of the celebrities whose stylists we spoke with. For anyone with natural hair who wants to utilize the best iron that won't heat damage their hair, Porsche advises using GHD irons. At number 3 is Revlon Copper Smooth Hair Flat Iron. Even the longest, thickest hair received enduring straightness from Revlon's extremely long, 1-inch wide tool. Although it does have a shorter than average cord, it had the broadest temperature range in our test, and at 4.9 inches, the longest plate length we tested, which helped in making the procedure quicker. A pro commented, "Our experts were dissatisfied that there was no audible tone to signal when it reached temperature because it took about a minute for it to reach 94% of its promised temperature. Make sure you apply an anti-frizz serum because, while receiving the highest rating for maintaining hair straightness in our technical test, it received the lowest rating from consumer testers for maintaining hair straight, shining, and frizz-free throughout the day." At number 4 is CHI G2 Professional Hair Straightener. The CHI G2 Professional Hair Straightener is a great choice for anyone looking for a professional hair straightener. The mode button with preset temperatures allows you to easily customize the heat level, making it perfect for any hair type. The ceramic heater provides consistent heat throughout the entire device, making sure your hair is completely straightened. Additionally, the 2-year warranty guarantees your satisfaction with this product. The ceramic heater is very fast and efficient, and the dual voltage is a nice feature. The red thermal mat included is also a nice added bonus. Overall, this hair straightener is top-notch quality, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a quality hair straightener. At number 5 is CHI Original Ceramic Hair Straightening Flat Iron. I absolutely love this CHI Original Ceramic Hair Straightening Flat Iron. It is a professional salon model, and it is so versatile. I can use it to flip, curl, and style my hair with ease. The one ceramic plates glide through my hair quickly and create silky, shiny results instantly. The flash quick heating feature reaches up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes this iron incredibly fast and hot. My hair feels incredibly smooth and sleek after using this straightener. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a quality hair straightener that is also versatile and quick to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.